Hey out.
Hi.
Hey. Hey.
Hi. I need help.
So are you're stuck from getting out of there?
Yeah.
Are you okay? Are you injured?
No.
Okay.
Very stuck.
So you're pretty close to the opening right now.
I am? Okay.
Yeah. Let me come down there and then we'll ride it together.
Okay.
It's easy, flat, and we just gotta hug left right here. There might be a time where we gotta, you know, crawl a little bit, but we'll be okay.
Okay.
Okay?
I'm panicking a little bit.
Say it again.
Oh, I said thank you because I was panicking a little bit.
Yeah, for sure. No, it's all good. All right, I'll be right there. Oh. Hey, out. Yeah, just keep eyes on us. What? Keep eyes on us. Yeah. Cool. Oh, hey.
Okay, yeah, because every time I get up and then I fall, I like sink deeper and I get kind of scared.
Uh-huh.
I can't get up and I like crawled from over there to over here.
All right, okay.
Yeah, so.
Are you regular or goofy?
Sometimes I'm regular.
You're regular? Okay, good, good. So you'll be able to be on your heels this way.
Okay.
So what I would do is I would lay down in the snow and roll over onto your belly.
Okay.
Try to reach over like if it was a seatbelt, and then bring the knee over after. There you go. Yeah, keep pulling with that left arm. Yeah, there you go.
Okay, and then.
And so we're gonna. So you see this path right here?
Yeah.
We're gonna stand up and we're just gonna get on our heels and just ride that way.
Okay, through the hill that goes like that.
Yeah, I'll wait for you right over there.
Okay.
So, like, I'm just gonna stand up. It's nice. And then when we get to the stop and when we get to the top and we get stuck, just try not to fall. Just try to stand up straight. Oh. Okay.
Okay. Crawl up.
Yeah. So I would roll over onto your belly. Yeah. And then now pivot yourself. So you're like facing me. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And then what the easiest thing to do is when you're in this position, like I'm building a shelf with my feet coming up, building a shelf with my feet coming up, building a shelf with my feet coming up.
Okay.
Oh no, but you want to be like laying on the snow, like you're kind of using like your hands as, yep, and jump forward. Yep. Or yeah, if the waddle's easier for you, doing this, whatever works. Yeah.
Oh, the snow's a little more packed here.
Yeah, we're gonna follow these tracks right out. Yeah, we're gonna go right through there. That's where I went out. Yeah. It's flat too. Yeah, if you want to. You'll be fine, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I can model. Oh, I can model up here.
There we go, yeah. Yeah.
Well, thanks for helping me.
Close these right up. Cool.
I made it down a little farther than when you found me last.
Okay. I got myself really lost down there.
Really?
Well, it became familiar, but I was like, oh my gosh, like, I'm sorry.
She helped me earlier a little bit, yeah.
It
Yeah.
connects outwards. It was just new.
Okay.
So I would get up a little higher just so you can,
Higher, okay.
yeah, just like up to where I am, pretty much.
Here?
A little more, because there's a slope this way. Yeah. I want to give you the best place to start. That's pretty good. And then from here, I just get on my belly, roll over onto my butt, make myself a nice little seat. Yep. And use that shelf on your feet.
Okay.
And I'm gonna help you stand up, and we're gonna just get on our heels and just ride that baby right out.
Okay, and we're
Yeah.
almost there.
We're almost there. Yeah.
Okay.
I know it's super sketchy. It's the first time we came down this today, and yeah,
It's very sketchy.
yeah. You could
Very unassuming.
you could go a lot of different ways.
I went a different way. I went along
Oh no!